Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to change domain name on Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and then after that what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and go to domains, and as you can see you have two different options. So you have the option to buy a new domain or connect existing domain. Now if you have a domain for, let's say, GoDaddy or Hostinger, what you can do, you can simply click on connect existing domain and then simply enter your domain and then click on next and then simply follow the prompts depending on your domain provider. Now if you want, you can also buy a new domain directly from Shopify, which is very easily, and basically it's gonna be set it up automatically by Shopify, so you don't have to do anything, just buy it. So what you're gonna have to do is simply search for the domain that you want to buy, and basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply choose. As you can see, this domain.com is available. So now if I want, I can simply buy this domain for $15 per year, or if you want to use other, as you can see, tutorial.shop or tutorial.store, you can simply choose any of these that you like and simply click on buy. And then after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply pay for it, and then automatically this will be set up for your Shopify store. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.